I don't get it.
Oh, Meowy. Oh. Go, Denji.
Hey guys, my name is Lucy.
And my name is Shuni.
And today we'll be reacting to episode number 3 of Chainsaw MEOWY'S Whereabouts.
MEOWY'S! MEOWY'S! Yes! MEOWY'S! Mwah.
She's here. For everyone new in this channel, this is Ollie. This is our beautiful, beautiful cat. She's always here when we film. Sometimes she makes an appearance. We just said MEOWY'S, and like it's written like meow.
Okay.
And she showed up. And like she decided to wake up from her nap and say hi.
Hi,
So it's like, why are you looking? I'm here. This is the MEOWY'S Whereabouts. I wonder if it's anything cat related.
maybe a cat devil?
Ooh.
I don't know.
I think we have her right here. You see that devil face? So devilly.
So yeah, I don't have a clue what this episode could be about. MEOWY'S Whereabouts?
It feels like a cat. Maybe they're looking for a cat. We're looking for a friend.
Watch it, that was a dog.
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of.
So a cat devil.
I don't think we are right though.
Oh, you missed it because of the frame. Oh, that's so bad. But she was like, everything that she does, we're like, oh my god, that's the best and sweetest thing ever.
Yeah. I just hope that Denji doesn't mess up.
Yeah, I want him to prove himself in front of Aki.
Yeah, I would like them to be friends.
If that's even possible. What do you think about Power? Are they going to be friends?
Yeah, probably.
Is she going to be kind of like a love interest as well? Or
I guess I.
I'm the only love interest in this story.
I guess he's only interested in Makima for now as a love interest, but he is interested in her boobs. I mean powers.
Yeah.
So I feel like he is in love with Makima, but he will want to get
it with her, with Power.
yeah.
At least he'll try. I don't think Power's the kind of, again, it's not the kind of girl that,
It's not even a girl.
yeah, right. It's a girl's body.
I don't think the devil Power is even thinking about that.
Yeah, maybe. We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out. Or maybe not. So, we'll start watching the episode right now. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. Yes. And also you have the link to our Patreon down in the description, and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings, and a few episodes ahead of YouTube.
This video was brought to you by your Patreons. Thank you so much for helping us grow. To have access to all these exclusive rewards, check out the link in the description down below. Enjoy the video! That was so destructive.
Yeah.
What did she do? Was that blood? And she created a hammer?
Yeah, that was awesome.
パワーちゃんはもうちょっと考えて行動しないといけないね。デンジ君も彼女を制御しないと。パワーちゃんは魔人になる前は血の悪魔だったから。
Blood Devil.
こいつが殺せって言ったんじゃ。
はぁ？でね、よくそんな嘘が言えたもんだな。
So she was a devil hunter before she became a fiend. Did I get that right?
嘘なんとか罪で逮捕だてめえ。
Because liar.
こいつがやれって言ったんじゃ。静かにできる？できる。正直どっちが足を引っ張ったとかはどうでもいいかな。私は二人の活躍を見たいんだ。私に活躍見せられそう？
Her eyes are so intimidating.
Yeah, kind of hypnotic, right?
Yeah.
胸を揉みたいと思っている場合じゃないかもしれない。
Don't need it.
No, I don't want to see this.
Maybe she's gonna adopt it.
ジュース飲めるなんてよ。俺にとっちゃ夢みたいなことだぜ。だけどこのままヘマ続けたら。
I do really believe she's gonna eat it. Though.
嘘つき女と協力なんてできない。
She likes it. Please don't eat him after
That.
this.
仲良くできるのは猫だ。
Oh.
I understand your power.
人間は嫌いじゃん。そして悪魔も嫌いじゃん。悪魔がわしの飼ってたニャーコを連れ去った。
Oh no, you saw that? The
No, I
devil
missed it.
took Meowy away.
Oh no.
試練が諦めきれん。猫ごときにと。うぬには分からぬ感情じゃ
No, I understand.
We do understand.
だらねえな。
No.
No. Boobs are dumb as hell.
Yeah.
でもできるけどよ。
やはり人間とは分かり合えぬの。
We feel the same way sometimes.
Yeah.
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
Oh, he's gonna do it.
悪魔がよ。猫をよ。使うなんてよ。デビルハンターとして許せねえ。そん悪魔。俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ。
So it was about cats. It was about cats. It is about cat. A cat.
17時までには戻ってくるように。
一人じゃ外出もできねえのか。
ニャーコをさらった悪魔の場所は分かっとるんじゃ。問題はウヌしか戦えんことじゃ。
Why?
その姿を見られたらニャーコを盾にされちゃ
Oh, okay. She can fight.
う。そうなったら罪じゃ。
俺もポチタっつう悪魔飼っててさ、もう撫でることはできね
Aww.
え。いいんだ。俺のここで生きてるからな。
Yes.
そりゃポチタが死んだってことじゃろ。
No, it's different.
死んだ命は無じゃ。心の中にいるだのなんだのは浅ましい慰めじゃ。
Don't be creepy.
へえ。そうだな。
Is he gonna use the chainsaw man power?
悪魔を軍事利用しているという噂も聞く。マキマ君、君にあげた部隊の犬は育っとるか？
期待に応えられそうなのが一匹、面白いのが一匹。
Who's who?
Yeah.
面白い。くれぐれも情は入れてくれるなよ。
You think she will?
I don't know. Maybe.
デンジは不快なだけで面白くないですよ。どうしてそんなに期待をするんですか？
Because he's so unique.
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。その名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという。コーヒーの悪魔がいたら弱いだろうね。
Chainsaw. Kinda very scary.
Yeah.
デンジ君はチェンソーの悪魔になれる。面白いと思うけどな。
He didn't know that.
No.
I guess.
No.
面白いだけで使えないやつですよ。でもあいつはダラダラと生きたいだけだと言っていました。公安にはふさわしくないです。
He kind of is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand where he's coming from.
Yeah.
But I still have high hopes for him.
He is right, but you can judge a person like that if you haven't lived his life. It's
Absolutely.
okay for him not to have a real goal when you've lived without home, without family. I mean, he just wants to enjoy
Life.
Yeah, and that's his goal.
Yeah.
He doesn't have these horrible people after him for his father's death. So he's just happy with,
Whatever he can get.
yeah.
And that's fine.
Yeah.
That's a really nice message to be grateful for everything that you have.
Yeah. So yeah, I get where he's coming from, but sometimes it's fine to say, I don't have a huge goal, and I'm fine with it.
Well, it's huge for him.
Yeah, it's huge for him.
If he does get to fondle with Power's boobs, it would be consented because she offered it to him. That's good. For his obsession, that's better than I thought that would be.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're getting Meowy back or if they
あ
are
そこにニャーコと悪魔がいる。
Oh, are in there.
both of them. Okay.
貧血なるからチェーンソーにはなりたくねえな。俺チェーンソーなれんの。
人間の冗談は笑えんな。
No, it's not a joke.
You'll see it's not a joke.
てめえが姿見せたら猫を人質にされんだろ。こんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ。
そういう設定じゃったな。言い間違い。じゃ、
Huh? What?
What? I don't get it.
No. What?
I don't get it.
What is happening? Oh, yeah. It was a trap?
Apparently.
Why?
随分と私を待たせたな、血の悪魔よ。
Oh, that's Meowy. Can you imagine? It's just a huge cat.
望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。コウモリ。
Yeah, it is.
Oh no,
nice.
it's a bad devil.
Oh,
若い男か精力の出る血を飲めそうだな
but I think you are in trouble.
Yeah, maybe he's gonna eat him and he's gonna get destroyed from the inside.
Yeah, maybe.
He can't reach for the
No.
chainsaw.
Oh, he doesn't
Oh.
like it.
Devil blood.
Yeah.
まずいチリ復活してしまったではないか
Or maybe because he's so nutritionally deprived.
No, I think it's because of the devil.
Vroom.
よくわしの話を信用できたもんじゃな。
It was all a lie.
口直しは子供に
Looks so disturbing.
Yes.
コウモリの悪魔。約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ。にゃーこ。
Oh,
Meowy was real then.
yeah.
Okay, I get it now. Oh, Meowy. Oh.
私
Don't freaking eat it.
持ってきた罰がまだだったな
No. No.
にゃーこ。うぬの名はにゃーこじゃ。猫にしてはうまそうな人間。
Okay, disgusting.
No, they're gonna get him back.
Please get him back.
もう少し太らせてから食ってやるか。
Mm.
Oh, well.
It's
Better.
bad to give milk to cats, but it's good that
早く。
They
Meow is
like
getting something.
they like him a lot.
Oh, shit. Oh.
血の悪魔よ猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい
No, no. No, no, no. She can get it out of that stomach. He swallowed Meowy whole.
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。うぬの気持ちが分かったぞ。
Is it dead? Already?
Hey, hey, what?
Oh, he's gonna get both of them out. Power and Meowy.
Yeah, I hope. Go after him. And he can fly.
Mm.
Yes.
俺の胸
Yup.
返せ
What? Okay.
Mm.
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。朝起きたらポチタはいなくて、街中を探しても見つからない。悪魔に食われちまったって思ったけど、
Oh, that's so sad.
家に帰るとポチタは泣きながら
No.
ほっとしてそのまま一緒に寝たのを、
Oh.
あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われてどんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう。
Yeah.
Alright, he does lose a lot of blood.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, let's have a moment.
My heart is beating so fast. So, it was a trap, but I get her.
Yeah, I would do that for Ollie.
Yeah. So, I was getting kind of angry at Power, but now I guess I like her even more.
Yes, I can relate to her so much now.
Yeah, yeah.
But I guess all this time, I don't know how long she's
Yeah.
been hiding this.
I thought the same thing. I guess a long time. Because first she had to become a devil hunter. Why didn't she try taking anyone else? Maybe she tried and couldn't. Also, she can't leave without
Right.
permission.
I guess she can't leave without permission, and they are always looking at what she's doing. But Denji is new. He doesn't know.
They should have told him that though, if they know.
Yeah, well, I don't think he would have anyways. There's boobs at stake, Shuni. You don't get it.
I guess we are going to see how he saves Power and Meowy.
Yeah, to see that this devil ingested Power as well gives me so much hope for Meowy.
Yeah.
Because at first I was like, oh no, okay, it's a possibility that they can get him back, but I'm not sure if that's what's gonna happen. But I'm sure now that he's going to rip this devil's stomach open and take at least her out. So obviously the cat's gonna survive.
I guess.
That is my prediction.
Yeah. Oh. She doesn't know what's going on.
Right.
悪魔のくせに何がしたいんだ
He's
Protecting.
killing you.
てめん腹裂いて胸もむんだよ
But he has to be careful not
Oh
to...
yeah, he's being so destructive. Run.
とっとと逃げ
Yeah.
Yeah. Ew.
俺は切れるか
Oh.
チェンソー引っ込めれたな
Yeah, I was going to say,
Wow.
what happened? Ah.
野郎の命なんだ死ぬぜ
He survived that, I guess.
You think? Huh?
What?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, like the sound, like the echolocalization. They are
That thing.
using
Yeah.
that as inspiration for this.
Bad powers.
なぜ生きてる
Yeah, he is.
Oh, his fingers.
かしてね
Ah.
まだ人もみもしてねえんだよ
That poor guy.
That must hurt
Yeah.
as well. The chainsaws.
What? Or... Oh.
Now the stomach.
Yes, but be careful.
Or the head and then the stomach. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Oh no, that's fine. That's fine. Over.
Go, Denji! Ew. Where are they?
In there. They must be.
Wow.
That was it?
No!
Y'all
It's a different ending.
Yeah. Poor animators.
Yes.
I just hope they got paid very well for this.
We're going to watch every one of them.
Yes. Absolutely.
This one is kind of...
Oh, that gave me chills.
It's kind of psychedelic for
Yeah.
moments. I enjoyed it so much.
Yes. That was an experience.
Yeah.
My hopes and predictions.
Yeah.
They are going to be fine, both of them. Power and Meowy.
Please, yeah. The thing they did here with this cliffhanger gives me hope.
Yeah.
Because I know what they are trying to do. They are trying to make us believe it won't happen, but it will.
Yeah. You're getting the hang of it.
Yeah.
I feel that too. That's the same exact feeling that I have right now. So, they're going to be fine.
Mm-hmm.
Both Meowy and Power, and they are going to get scolded so much.
Yeah.
Both of them.
Yeah. Yeah, they are destroying.
Everything.
Yeah. Denji is that bad devil.
Yeah, but it's huge, so kind of it's understandable.
Kind of necessary, but I suppose that if some other devil hunter would go fight him, it would be more or less destructive.
Yeah. I would like to see how other devil hunters manage these sort of situations.
Yes.
So I guess that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notified every time that we upload a new reaction. Also, you have the link to our Patreon down in the description, and there you have our reactions with extended cuts, no fadings, and some episodes ahead of YouTube. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.